This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice or a recommendation to invest. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial decisions. Traders, imagine this: a smoother, less noisy tool for analyzing trends that takes your strategy to the next level. Meet the game changer in trading indicators, the radius trend indicator. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what makes it special and how you can start using it right away. Ready? Let's dive in. Hold on, traders, I've got something seriously awesome for you today. Imagine this: premium TradingView charts that you'd usually have to pay for, now available completely free. But wait, there's more. Got questions about trading? Fastbull has a dedicated QA section where you can ask your burning trading questions. And guess what? Real expert traders, not just random internet folks, will answer them. Want to trade like the pros? Fastbull offers free copy trading services. You can literally see what the experts are trading and just copy their moves. Plus, they provide detailed reports, so you know exactly what you're getting into. Now the fun part, trading contest. There's a whopping $2,500 reward pool up for grabs, with $10,000 for the first place winner. And the best part, it's completely free to enter. I've dropped the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Jump in now and level up your trading game. First, let's get set up. Head over to TradingView. Pick any security you like. I'll be using gold on a 1-hour time frame. Open the indicator search tab and type in radius trend. Look for the one by chart prime. Found it? Great, let's add it to our chart. So, what exactly is this indicator? The radius trend indicator uses a radius-based approach to dynamically track market trends. It's simple, efficient, and incredibly intuitive. Let's break it down. First, we have the trend cloud, the backbone of this indicator. It changes color to signal the market's direction. A red cloud with price trading below it, that's a bearish trend. A green cloud with price trading above it, bullish all the way. The dashed line. This line acts as a bounce-off area in the market, giving you precision entry points. Here's how it works. In a bullish trend, instead of jumping in randomly, wait for the price to pull back and bounce off the dashed line before taking your long position. In a bearish trend, wait for the price to pull back up to the dashed line and then take your short position. This approach not only minimizes risks, but also ensures that you're trading with the trend at optimal levels. Now, the radius trend indicator isn't just about trend direction. It also shows you trend strength. As the gap between the price and the base of the trend cloud increases, the trend gets stronger and stronger. Conversely, in a ranging market, the price moves closer to the cloud's base, signaling a weaker trend. By understanding this dynamic, you can avoid getting trapped in weak trends and focus on high probability setups. Let's dive into the settings and see how you can fine-tune this indicator for your trading style. The radius step option determines how quickly the trend line adjusts its angle. A smaller value makes it more responsive but could produce noisier signals. The start point's distance sets the initial distance between the price and the bands. Larger values make the bands wider, while smaller values make them narrower. Finding the right balance here is key. Experiment with these settings to match your preferred trading time frame and style. These methods are simple, effective, and can help you take more precise trades. And guess what? The second strategy is my personal favorite, so stick around for that. Let's jump into the first one. First up is trading pullbacks, and the best part? You'll only need this one indicator to execute this strategy. Let me walk you through it step by step. In a bullish trend, the trend cloud will be green, and the price should be trading above it. But to confirm a pullback, here's what you need to do. Wait for the price to come down and touch the dashed line without hitting the base of the trend cloud. As soon as this happens, look for an engulfing candle. Once you spot it, take your long position. Your stop loss should go right below the trend cloud, and for your take profit, target a risk-reward ratio of 1.1.5. As you can see, the result was profitable. Now, let's flip the script for a bearish trend. In a bearish trend, the trend cloud will be red, and the price should trade below it. Follow these steps. Wait for the price to pull back, and touch the dashed line without hitting the upper side of the cloud. Look for an engulfing candle. It could be the pullback candle itself or the next one. Once you have confirmation, take a short position, set your stop loss just above the trend cloud, and aim for a 1.15 risk-reward ratio for your take profit. The result? Another profitable setup. Now let's move on to my favorite method of trading with this indicator. For this strategy, we're going to add an extra layer of precision by combining the radius trend indicator with one of the best buy-sell indicators on TradingView, the range filter indicator. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Setting up the range filter indicator. To get started, go to the TradingView indicator search bar and type in range filter. Select it, and once it's added to your chart, double-click on the indicator to access its settings. In the Style tab, you'll want to disable some options to keep your chart clean. After that, click OK. Step 2. Combining indicators for long positions. Now here's how to use these two indicators together for a long position. First, identify a bullish trend. This is when the radius trend cloud is green and the price is trading above it. Next, wait for the market to do a pullback and confirm the pullback using the range filter indicator. You want the price to pull back far enough for a short signal to be printed by the range filter. Once the pullback is confirmed, wait for the price to reverse and print a long signal on the range filter. At the moment the long signal appears, ensure the trend cloud is still green. This confirms that the trend is bullish. Now take your trade. Step 3. For your stop loss, place it right below the most recent swing low. For your take profit, target a 1.1.5 risk-reward ratio. Let the trade run, and here's what happens. Once we had confirmation, we entered the trade, set our stop loss, and take profit, and boom, another profitable trade. Example 2. Long position. Let's look at another example. First, we had a bullish trend, as indicated by the green cloud. Then, the price pulled back, and the range filter printed a short signal. After that, we waited for the price to reverse and print a long signal while the trend cloud was still green. We entered the trade, set our stop loss below the recent swing low, and aimed for a 1.1.5 risk-reward ratio. Once again, the trade was profitable. Key tips for long positions. Remember, the key here is to wait for a pullback, confirm it with a short signal, and only take the long trade when you get a long signal and the trend is still bullish. Patience pays off. Now, let's look at a short position example. We identified a bearish trend, as indicated by the red radius trend cloud. Next, we waited for a pullback, confirmed when the price came back up, and the range filter printed a long signal. To confirm the end of the pullback, we needed a short signal from the range filter while the trend cloud was still red. Once we got that short signal, the conditions were met, and we entered the trade. Step 1. Placing stop loss and take profit. For the stop loss, place it above the most recent swing high. Then target a 1.1.5 risk-reward ratio for the take profit. Here's what happened next. And as you can see, this trade turned out to be profitable too. In summary, the radius trend indicator is a fantastic tool for visually analyzing market trends. Its dynamic, radius-based adjustments and sensitivity to volatility make it a versatile choice for traders. Whether you're identifying trends, spotting reversals, or navigating volatile market conditions, this indicator can help you stay ahead of the curve. Well, that's it for today's video. I really hope you found value in this trading setup. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and even consider subscribing to stay updated on the latest trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.